And then question E is actually kind of interesting. We want to figure out the height of the ball as it passes home plate. And we know the x value of home plate, right? Home plate is 13.7 feet away. We're looking for the y value. So somehow we need to translate from information about x to information about y. And we don't have an equation that involves both x and y. But we have an equation that involves x and t. And we have an equation with y and t. So our strategy here is to take the information we know about x, translate that into information about t, and then translate that into information about y. So the x value, we know the home plate is 13.7 feet away. The only place where we can use that is in this equation with t, x and t. So 13.7 equals 12t, cosine 55 degrees plus 0.7. Solve that out, subtract 0.7 from both sides, divide by cosine 55 degrees, stick that into a calculator, 1.89 seconds. So for this ball, an x value of 13.7 corresponds to a time of 1.89 seconds. After 1.89 seconds, the ball has reached home plate. Now that we know that time, we can translate that into information about the y value. So, what do we So we know the time is 1.89. Now we can plug it into the y equation and figure out that we're at 2.58 meters. Okay, so is that a strike? This question hasn't technically told us what the strike zone is. But if you know how tall 2.58 meters is, it's like 8.46 feet. If you are tall enough that 8.46 feet is not a strike, you should be playing basketball, not baseball. Like, for any baseball player, this is well above the strike zone, or softball, or slow pitch, or whatever. So 8.46 feet, yeah, that's a strike. That's not a strike. The ball is way outside the strike zone. That's just the pitcher being ridiculous. No strikes here. Okay, so that's all I wanted to get through in terms of me lecturing. At this point, I think you can figure out parts F and G by yourselves. For your homework tonight, and yes, I'm giving you homework even though I'm not there. For homework tonight, I want you to look at the projectile motion homework. It should be in your packet right after the student pages, that next page or two. So please complete these student pages in class, complete the homework, and I will check that off tomorrow. And I should be here on Tuesday. So see you then. Toodaloo!